Hello dear friends, this is Apple Fruit channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to download story on Instagram absolutely free. How to do it? Very simple. You go to Instagram. Now you click on search and find the profile from which you want to download the story. For example, the profile of FIS Barcelona. Click here, you see the story. Now at the bottom, we press the button share and click copy the link. After that we go out of here and then we go into any browser. And here we need the site called Save Insta. We find this site. Now open this icon and then we have a search. Here we paste our link which we have copied and we click download. And then we close the ad. Here we see our story. We download our video. It will download. Go to download and open our video. Now click share. And here we click the button save to the gallery. We wait a couple of seconds. Now we go out of here and go into the gallery of the iPhone. Here we see our video. This is such a great and working way to do it. That was the Apple Fruit channel. Like it and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.